Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video, let's make these glossy pork chops, honey. Let's get started guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. You're gonna begin by marinating or spicing up your pork chops, honey. You want to make sure that you pour a little bit of oil on there before you add your spices so that the spices can adhere better to the pork chops. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and add your spices, honey, which the spices that I used was garlic pepper, a little bit of the traditional braai mixed spice, and some thyme. You can absolutely decide which spices that you like to add onto your pork chops, honey. That is absolutely up to you. You're gonna make sure to fully saturate those chops with the spices, honey. Then you're gonna go ahead and let them sit. You can either refrigerate them for about 30 minutes just to absorb the flavor of the spices. Now how you cook them is really up to you, honey. I decided to put them on a baking paper and grill them in the oven just until done. You can decide to pan fry them, honey, or grill them, barbecue, whatever that you like to do. This is optional. If you're putting them in the oven, you're gonna go ahead and put them for about 30 to 40 minutes, but until how you like them. To make the glaze, you're gonna add some freshly squeezed orange juice and some garlic and ginger paste. I prefer that you use the fresh garlic and ginger because the flavors will be much more potent and so fresh and beautiful, honey. Then you're gonna add your golden syrup. At this point, you can choose any syrup that you have or want to use. You can use honey, you can use golden syrup, you can use maple syrup, honey. The syrup is just going to help the juice to reduce. Now you're gonna do that on very low heat, honey, very low heat, and just be patient with it. Once the mixture has reduced significantly, then you know that it's going to stick better to the meat, okay? And then you're just going to glaze your pork chops. You're gonna allow it to sit on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're just gonna keep tossing and turning. The heat is still on because you want that glaze to stick on those pork chops, honey. It's gonna be so sticky, it's glossy, it's beautiful and refreshing as well. Now you know that all those juices and fattiness are flavor, honey, so you want to go ahead and add them in there. The glazing part will take about 5 to 8 minutes, honey, on medium heat, and you're just going to be patient with it, okay, honey? That's the recipe, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you on the next one.